Hi Year 1. For story time today I'm going to read Kitchen Disco, and it's one of our favourites. At night when you are sleeping, there's a party in your house. It's a pumping, jumping, funky bash when all the lights go out. In the quiet of your kitchen, when the moon is shining white. The fruit jump from the fruit bowl and they dance all through the night. Banana is the DJ, he plays the latest hits. He spins, he jumps, he somersaults, then does banana splits. Ow! The lemons are the show-offs. They really love to rap. They break dance on the chopping board and tap dance on the tap. The coconut is cheeky. He makes the others laugh. He dives into the washing up and has a bubble bath. Do you like his bubble beard? So, shake it like a mango, party like a pear, wiggle like an apple, hey! And dance like you don't care. It's called the Kitchen Disco and everyone's invited. So move your hips and shake your pips and let's get all excited. The tangerines go bouncy bounce. They like to scream and shout. One tangerine spun round so much that all her juice came out. The pineapple is very cool. Yo! He wears his hair in spikes. He hangs out by the microwave, high-fiving fruit he likes. So, shake it like a mango, party like a pear, wiggle like an apple, hey! And dance like you don't care. It's called the Kitchen Disco and everyone's invited. So move your hips and shake your pips and let's get all excited. The grapes are such a silly bunch. They boogie in a conga. When all the other fruit join in, the conga line gets longer. Ooh. Ready for the funny bits? The pears have big fat bottoms. They groove across the floor. The apples wave their stalks around and scream for more, more, more. So, shake it like a mango, party like a pear, wiggle like an apple. Hey! Can you see who's snuck into the kitchen? Oh no, busted. Just dance like you don't care. It's called the Kitchen Disco and everyone's invited. So move your hips and shake your pips and let's get all excited. At breakfast time, the party slows. The fruit must go to bed. They climb into the fruit bowl and they rest their sleepy heads. So, and you hear them sing this song, then don't ask why and don't be shy. Come on and sing along.